a new story. It's called Please Do Not Sneeze, written by Roderick Hunt and illustrated by Alec Bristol. If you have a copy, go quickly get it. And if you want to support this channel, you don't have to support it if you don't want to. I want you to like, subscribe, ring the bell icon, and push it with your elbow. It's not that hard. You don't have to click it as hard as much as you can. And if you're a big strong man, please do not smack your phone hard. It might break the screen. So let's get into this. Anina was on the beach with Wolf and Wilma. It was sunny, but the sea was chilly. It's too chilly to swim. There were lots of people on the beach. Wolf had a frisbee. Catch! He called. Anina ran to catch the frisbee. She nearly ran into some children. The children looked upset. Mind the people! The children were lost. We can't see Mommy and Daddy, said the girl. The children were called Lily and Charlie. Anina and Wilma took them to the lost children's hut. We will wait with you until your mommy comes, said Anina. Let me tell you a story, said Anina. In a far off land, there was a princess, but she had a problem. The princess was called Sophie. The problem was her sneeze. She has a loud sneeze. When she sneezed, it sounded as if she was saying funny things like cheesy feet or stinky socks, chimney sweep. People said Sophie was shouting at them. They did not like it. She called me cheesy feet. The queen was cross with Sophie. You need to learn better. You need better manners, she said. What a chick. Muzzy teeth. Sophie sneezed into her handkerchief. Even the king was cross with Sophie. Toot, toot, he said. You bad girl. Sophie sneezed harder and harder. I don't mean to be bad, said Sophie, but when I sneeze, people think I'm shouting at them. Sophie was so unhappy that she ran off in off she ran deep into the forest. But soon she was lost. She sat down on a bed of leaves. I will rest my head on these leaves, she said, and she soon fell fast asleep. She was asleep all night. To her relief, she did not sneeze at all. Sophie sat up with a start. A field mouse, an owl, and a donkey were looking at her. You must be the sneezing princess, said the little mouse. Yes, I am, said Sophie, but out here I didn't. In the forest I did not. sneeze at all. People sneeze a lot, said the donkey. There is too much dust in their houses. Too much dust. But guys, I have a song to tell you. I just thought about it now. People sneeze a lot. Bam, bam, bam. Said I can't say donkey, so I'm gonna say another animal. Said the fox. Dun dun dun. There's too much dust in their houses. Then the donkey said, too much dust. The king and queen ran up. Sophie, said the king, we have found you. What a relief. We must get rid of the dust. Just then, Charlie saw his Mummy. Charlie! Lily! She said, I have found you! What a relief! We did like the story, said Lily. Did? Sophie. Stop. Stop sneezing. What do you think? Asked Anina. Yes, if they did the dusting. The end.